Welcome to our tutorial on how to enter your promo code on Betmgm in 2025. Let's dive right into the exciting world of sports betting. In 2025, Betmgm is offering several incredible promo codes. These offers can give you a significant boost to your betting experience. First things first, let's create your Betmgm account. Follow this simple step-by-step guide with me. During the registration process, you'll see a field to enter your promo code. Make sure to fill it in here to unlock your bonus. Already have an account? Don't worry. Existing users can also apply promo codes. Let me show you how. Always check the validity and expiration dates of your promo codes to ensure you don't miss out on bonuses. To maximize your bonus, read the terms carefully and take advantage of all available offers. If you encounter any issues while entering your promo codes, refer to this common troubleshooting guide. In conclusion, Betmgm offers you fantastic opportunities with promo codes. Don't hesitate to take full advantage of them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more betting tips. Happy betting!